Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another hair video, but this time it's by, I'm gonna try to pronounce this, but I don't know how to. Haiyi hair, Haiyi hair. So today's sponsorship is by Haiyi hair. So they basically sent me this 20-inch curly lace frontal wig. So it is a 30 by 4, I believe, and it's curly and it's 20 inches. And guys, I literally tried so hard to like make this wig look good. Like, you know me, I'm not exactly good at making wigs. So like this hair, I tried my hardest. Like, so all I can say right now is that the texture of the curl is honestly so freaking soft, and it was so easy to just to style it. Like literally, after I'm done talking, I'll just send you guys to the next clip where you guys will see a tutorial how I keep my curly hair like this. So if you guys like the look of what it looks like right now, stay tuned or keep watching until the end, and you guys will see all the steps that I took to get here. But yeah, all I can say is like this company is really nice. The communication was really fast. Like they're always on time with the communication, and they're actually a new company as well. So that there's not really too much of other reviews and other like reviews from other people to let you know if the quality is good or not. So I'm actually the first one. And guys, honestly, if you're like if you have like a low if you're on an affordable budget, definitely this company is definitely good for you. Like if you want to spend like less than like $200, definitely go with definitely check out Haiyi hair. All the information will be down below for you guys to check out. And I believe they have like straight curly wigs, frontal closures, colored wigs, non-colored wigs. They have everything you guys want on their website, so all the information will be down below. And yeah, so I'm gonna send you guys to the next clip to show you guys just how I style this wig and all that stuff. And thank you so much, Haiyi hair, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for your collaboration, and I'll see you guys in my next clip or my next video. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. Anyways, bye. So like the hair is basically already wet. I already added water to it. So after I do that, I add my oil. I just got it from like the beauty supply store, and I just sprinkle. Not sprinkle, but you know, just spray the hair. And honestly, it smells so delicious. Oh yeah, and the hair literally become a no smell. Honest to God, the smell was like nothing there. There's not really that much shedding too. And then I go in with my curl defining, what do you call it, gel. So it just makes the curls pop a little bit once you add the water and all that stuff. I don't really take too much to do this. And I go on the one side. And can you see the curls are just like they're bouncy too. On the other side. Excuse the background noise. My boyfriend is singing, and yes, he doesn't think you can hear him. So excuse that. Yes, this look like I honestly, I was trying to find a foundation shade that matches my skin, but it came out a bit too light, so just excuse that. And I try to do baby hair, but like honestly, I'm not a big fan of baby hair that much. I just want to show you guys the hair and just like the texture and what it looks like. See, there's barely no shedding. It's not that much. And yeah, I also washed it too. I always wash my hairs whenever I get them. You never know where it's coming from. So yeah, guys. So that's just a quick tutorial, quick review on this wig. So guys, get you guys yourself some, Haiyi hair. Try it out for yourselves. Let me know down below if you ever tried their company or whatever, their company and everything. Let me know how was it for you guys. Was their customer service? Was their customer service on point or not? I need to know. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.